Namaste everyone, this is Rupi Raja and today I will tell you about a alternate investment opportunity and why you should research about it. So I will tell you about how you can have exposure to real estate through equities. Currently you guys would have seen that in the last 1 year the stock markets are down, and in newspapers also mutual funds are giving advertisements to invest in multi asset funds, balance advantage funds, etc. But I will suggest don't go and invest in these funds. Instead of that, you can know and research about real estate exposure through equities using an instrument called as REITs are also known as real estate investment trusts. Recently in news, there have been some articles about IPO of Blackstone Knowledge Reality. It is a part of Satwa Real Estate Group, and they are planning an IPO of 7,000 crore in this down market. The IPO will be about a real estate investment trust in which they will manage 48 million square feet of commercial real estate properties across Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Mumbai. And the manager of these commercial real estate will be Blackstone, and Blackstone has a very good track record of being a good real estate manager. So before talking about this real estate investment trust, I will tell you what does REITs actually mean. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income producing real estate across a wide range of property sectors. These investments allow you to earn income through real estate without having to actually buy, manage, or finance properties themselves. So there are currently three REITs in India. The first is Brookfield REIT. If you see the chart of Brookfield REIT, it gave you a return of 21.47% return in last 1 year. Brookfield India Real Estate Trust owns and operates commercial real estate assets located mainly in Mumbai, Gurgaon, Noida, and Kolkata. So you can see here, since they have real estate assets across four different cities, so there is very low concentration risk. Moving on, I will talk about Mindspace Business Parks REIT. This REIT has given a return of 21.82% in the last 1 year. Mindspace Business Park REIT is a India-based real estate investment trust. This company owns office portfolio in India in cities like Hyderabad, Pune, Thane, and Mumbai. So here also there is low concentration risk because they have diversified their real estate properties across four different cities. Talking about the third REIT, it is the Embassy Office Park REIT. This REIT has not given a positive return in last 1 year, but it has a very minimal fall in the value of the investment in REIT. Talking about Embassy Office Park REITs, this REIT owns and operates office buildings, and their portfolio comprises 7 office parks and 4 prime city center office buildings. So if you go on the data of all the above mentioned three REITs, 21,000 crore has been given as rent and dividends to the its shareholders. Nifty Realty Index gave a return of minus 12% over the last 1 year, whereas all these three REITs have given almost positive returns with dividends. So you can say there have been capital appreciation through the properties that they have owned, plus the rent from that properties were given as dividends to the shareholders. Currently there have been no residential REITs wherein like the all these estate investment trust will own residential properties like flats of 2 BHK, 3 BHK, and they will pay you the rent. But currently there is no such REIT, but I am also waiting to invest in a residential REIT because you know that the property prices in India are very high. So talking about the motivation of this channel, there will be no flashy targets on this channel like buy this stock at this price and sell at this price. I want the subscribers to become rich slowly, and I would also like the subscribers to discuss these developments with their parents as well. Giving the disclaimer, all the concepts and the topics that I have talked here are topics that you should also research on your own, and I also request all the subscribers to write down your information and knowledge on this topic so that all of us will have crowdsourcing of information on various topics. One fun fact about REITs is that the Parag Parikh Conservative Hybrid Fund has all these three REITs, and they have a overall portfolio allocation of more than 25%. So this shows that how good these investments really are. So thank you. This is Rupi Raja.